So in today's upload, I'm getting ready to head to the wrap shop. I don't know if I'm gonna pick out a wrap today, or we just gonna talk over a few details of what I want and which way I'm gonna go with it. But before I actually get a full wrap, I'm gonna do this idea that I've been having in mind before I do a full wrap, because I know if I don't do it, I'm gonna regret not doing it, especially if somebody else was to do it. So I might turn the camera back on whenever I get there, or give y'all some riding footage. So whatever y'all see next is next.
They do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. They do it. Come on. Come on. They do it. They be living boom cause. They do it. They be liking boom cause. They do it. Come on. Come on. The bitch living boom cause she liking my flow. Been being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the ball to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. Done roofing on that bitch gon' hit the door. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime in the do, but I still wipe your nose. They do it. They do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real all star. Used to pull up and shut up the water. Now show them shit on the targets. They do it. Hot little boy on that hot boy.
Just pulled up to the shop. Who is this? So how you doing? How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Huh?
Same one, though.
Same one, but it ain't the same. Appreciate it. How you doing, man?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm good.
You all right?
Yeah, working and working. Recording, YouTubing.
Yeah.
What's that you got?
Huh?
Some vinyl?
Yeah. One of my guys here, his birthday next week, so we're gonna pull up on him and open that baby up. Let me do it since you got the camera.
Might as well do it for YouTube. Might as well.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And what Nick just did, put my names on the seats and put the B on there.
That red is stupid.
So I told everybody I'm about 1,000 miles away from everybody with a charger now.
Right?
They gotta come on pick up now.
Hey. Hey, you got them with the C's.
Huh?
You got them with the C's.
Huh?
I say you got them with the C's. You got them.
Ooh, who did you see? Some feather?
Yeah, CC and top. CC and top.
Good God.
Oh, this red is crazy. That look real good.
We got everything here, boy. He know the po-po be out and about.
all of them in February know me. So when they see me, they ain't gonna do that. Yeah, sheriff run with us too, so we got a cop run with us. And but I got a security camera in there and in the car, so.
What kind of exhaust is that?
5-inch tips from Carver.
You notice the sound difference in the tips?
Oh, absolutely. A lot of people get the.
I tried to get my wife to get one.
But they're not the same. I spent a little bit more, you know, $215 for them, but it was worth it, you know. 5-inch tip, resonators, and minimum. And then what kills them is this right here.
Oh yeah. I remember you showed me that.
Yeah. One of my partners, he got 2 Hellcats. He got red eye. You know him, Sling. Yeah, he's rolling with us Saturday. Friday, we're going to Charlotte.
Y'all going to Charlotte too? Yeah, I'll be there the whole weekend.
Yeah. My wife gonna sit down there the whole weekend.
Yeah.
And some people leaving Friday with us, and some leaving Saturday morning.
Well, I know you don't ride like that.
No. I do that when I pull up. People take pictures and everything in the car.
That's bad though.
Yeah. And then I had Nick take my other ones on, and these are reflective now.
Oh, they reflect.
This reflective, and also on my hood, that B is reflective. And then I had took off.
Well, you got motor work done this thing.
No, just 5-inch. This co-intake. I had this taken off. The Tried just with this. And I felt naked, like a mustache being cut off.
Yeah.
So I had Nick put this back on, and then put the red on. This time the red is reflective. So at nighttime. So it did. They did real good for me.
All right, man. I see you down there at Charlotte. Let me get in there and holler at you.
Yeah.
Straight pipe.
I gotta say, I gotta check that out.
ain't nothing done on the inside.
I tried to get my wife to let's get one. How'd you get in?
Something on the road.
That look good. No spoke one. He wasn't changing his rims out there. He just like that.
Them right there came like that.
Yeah, that make it nasty though, with that like that.
Them the same exhaust tips right there.
That he got?
No, them the same ones that stop.
Oh.
Alright, what's going on everybody? I'm Nick Leggett. This is NRL Designs out of Lumberton, North Carolina. We do all kinds of vehicle wraps, vehicle accessories, toolboxes. We do the BMW hitches, different things like that. And what we have here, we got a C7 Corvette. This is a 2017. It's a Grand Sport. We just wrapped in a Hexus chrome gold. And this right here, this is a little bit more difficult vinyl to work with, but you know, he's gonna turn heads everywhere he goes. So this one right here, this is definitely a head turner. It ain't all that. I mean, it's stock.
It's stock.
Yeah, you want to hear it?
Yeah. Sound good to be stopped.
Yes, he does. He hit that track mode. I have to tell the owner Aaron not to watch that video. No, he's cool though. Back here we got a 21 RAV4. We're doing in a purple. This one here is a KPMF. It's a gloss purple. So customer, she bought the vehicle and they don't make it in a purple, and she wanted purple, so the dealership brought it straight to us, and we're making it purple for her. So we can do a little bit of anything there. So I mean, if you want to just change your whole color, we can do that, or we can do as simple as blacking out this Denali over here. We're actually blacking out the tail lights, blacking out all the chrome trim, making the GMC emblems black. This customer they just want a full blackout package right here. So we're doing that, and he's getting it prepped. We're gonna put a dark smoke. It's a Lux film that we use just to make it black on the tail lights. So anything you're looking to do, just let us know. We'll do it.
Where can they find you at?
Lumberton, North Carolina. Come hit us up. Our Instagram is NRL_designs with a Z at the end. Or Facebook.com/NRL Designs. And we're working on that YouTube so we can be big like this one right here.
What about your truck?
Alright, we got the Yukon here. We just did the black roof on it. We kept it kind of simple. I did a 2-inch leveling kit on it, put some 33s on it. Keep this one kind of simple. It's kind of the one, you know, if I want to kind of not necessarily hide in, but not stand out, you know. We didn't put any logos on this one because I like that pearl white. But all right, we just moved in this building back in July, August area. We used to have a small shop, and we didn't do. When we did the full wraps, I had to do them at home in my garage, but we finally moved up to where we can sell more, do more. And now we've started selling UWS and cam locker toolboxes. And we have every one from, you know, the 71 to 72 inch to 69 inch, 63 inch toolboxes. We got the new UWS with the rail that stepped it up to compete with the cam lockers with the same style handles, and you know, or you can stick with the standard handle here, and then they have some with the pull handle. We got all.
You got everything. Got your own vinyl and everything.
Yeah, we do it all. We even have down the toolboxes for little side by side. We can do all that too. And anything you want to do, hey, any vehicle accessories. If you have any questions, just hit us up. If I can't do it, I know somebody that can. So whatever you're looking for, we'll do it.
We need to talk about my new look.
Your new look?
Yeah.
What you looking to do?
Alright, so
Yeah, I'm not down on you. You done pretty good. We're gonna get you a job. All that does still look good.
mm-hmm.
Got your big YouTube name back there.
Oh yeah.
You see my new one?
What?
You know, I got rid of my other truck.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, I got that one. I haven't really done much to it yet. So I got that one. Just got it. It's 2021. It's got the Duramax in it.
I know you're gonna get some different wheels.
Yeah, well, actually, I may actually
gonna keep them?
those for now and just level it, maybe 3 to 4 inch lift, probably Cognito, and put some 37-inch mud wraps on it. So
Listen,
they just give it that beast look for now. And,
this is really where my heart is with trucks. I just got that because it's cheaper to build a car than a truck.
Oh yeah,
especially how I want it.
Yeah, this really is. I mean that. Of course, this one's the business. This is an NRL truck. So.
Can I see the inside?
Yeah, hold on a second.
You ain't got the key. But yeah, I know some of y'all was asking like, well, in the Mopar world, the talk is Dodge gonna stop making like the SRTs, but if that was to happen, I wouldn't be hurt because really, lifted trucks is where my heart is. Like I said, I just got the Charger really to start out in the YouTube world, but I love it now. Don't get me wrong, I love it, but this is really where my heart is. Look at that front end. I think he just unlocked it. Ooh. Oh, it smells so new in here.
That's you right there.
It is me.
Turn it on and look at that in the mirror. There's the key. Look at the rear view mirror is now a camera. See it up there?
Oh.
You can actually hold on, I'll show you. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can look people up and down.
That's crazy. Ooh, copyright. Oh, that's that Dan and Shay.
Yeah. It's got all kinds of cool little stuff, and you can go to the camera right here. Look at all kinds of like I mean it's crazy the cameras this thing's got on it. Like everywhere, different. I mean, all kinds of cameras on it. The bed camera, the hitch.
God, how many cameras is on it?
It's got like a camera every inch of the
Every
truck.
angle, basically.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what you need to do?
What?
Do a truck review.
Do a truck review?
Yeah.
Yeah. Start with something I mean, it makes sense to start with something that you know about, you can talk about. Something like that.
I'm telling you, do a truck review. When you want to do it, I'm going to record it for you.
Whenever you're free one. I don't know. You work
next week it's supposed to be nice. It's supposed to be in the 60s next week.